Construction site, farming strong, all year long. It's early spring, the day's begun, as 6 tough trucks rise with the sun. They roll through mud and spots of snow and look down at a farm below. Big tractor revs and greets the crew. Vroom! And pickup truck says hi there too. Beep, beep. In spring, the farm's a busy place. There's work to do, no time to waste. A springtime washout cracked a road, so Dozer fills it, load by load. Then dump truck hauls debris away. The trucks are working hard today. To get the fields ready now, big tractor pulls a chisel plow. She turns the soil, rips up weeds, prepares the ground for planting seeds. Little tractor plants the crop. She rolls along as big seeds drop from her planter, row by row, and pretty soon the corn will grow.